What's up, YouTube? So I'm posting on Facebook, Instagram, and getting folks to come check out this awesome video. Going live. Just copy the link. So if you copy the link, you can actually just go, let's see, can I go straight in? Let's see. Check it out, Instagram. We're going live on YouTube. Put this bad boy back together. So come check it out. You'll be seeing it from that camera right there. And yeah, cheers. All right, so that's going Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And should I set up a Instagram live? You know, why not? 87%. All right. Turn this. Let's see. Firefighter. Let's go live. All right. It takes, with Instagram, it takes a picture. So if you're setting up your Instagram live stream and have your background ready, it's really, really annoying. Cool. 3, 2, 1. Is that corny or what? That's hilarious. So, guys, we're putting this 3D printer back together. All right, let's do. Who should I listen to while we're doing this? Big Sean. We're gonna listen to some Big Sean right here. Because why not? Oh yeah! Boom! Got that music going. Okay. Got my little drawings here. Get that first-hand look right here, baby. Let's see. Oh yeah. So this is all making sure that there we go. Low light. Let there be light. That's a little oversaturated, but let's just adjust this so we're not so freaking light here. What's going on with this? Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, I gotta get the camera lighting just right. Otherwise you guys are gonna think I'm a noob. Oh no. Alright. So all this right here is like shit to do. Getting just like a pamper, he'd be on that childish shit. Man, he's got some great lyrics, I'll tell you that. Okay, so this is bill of materials for the cedar. We're doing that little cedar action. And then we got the pinouts for the Aggie control. Got some sketches. First-hand sketches! That's kind of what it's going to look like. We're looking at a multi-box kind of system. So we can plug 8 things into this, control them all, have sensor lines going along to the, like if you have your lights on, you have a little sensor that goes in there and says, okay, well, how good is the light? Is the light degrading after a certain period of time? How many lumens? I think I can get that information from like just a simple photoresistor. I'll just take a couple different readings so that we can okay, at this value, it means that, there's also that. So if I get the photoresistor for the luminosity, for the lumens, like the actual power, and then I can get a RGB color detector. And with the color detector, I can actually figure out what the color frequency, size, heat. I can figure out what that is. I wonder. I want to add as much as I can without blowing the price through the roof, because if it costs $2,000, it's like fucking pointless. Because you might as well just go get the expensive controller at that point. And I'm trying not to make it sweet potato. Oh. Random ass sweet potato. Yep. That's what everybody needs in their room, a sweet potato. Actually, I should see if I can grow that sweet potato. Is it organic? I don't know if it's organic or not. Alright, let's get this shit done. I am so ready to do some 3D printing now. Check this out. Check it out, bro. Check it out, man. Oh. dancing like you've got a reason. We're getting there, man. We're getting there. So, got the motors in. These. This is next. And this goes in the back. This goes in the back. Actually, I should attach the motor to this first. Oh, I'm excited. I'm just really fucking excited. God, I want a 3D print so badly right now. Okay. I'm missing a thing. Am I missing a thing? Oh no, I don't remember. So I'm pretty sure. Drank. Faded. Drank. Alright, what the hell does this go to again? Okay, step 1, find all the parts. Step 2, put all the parts together. Shit, I'm missing a piece. Not good, man, not good. Bloody hell. It's not over there. Well, we can start with one. Drank. So this is for the idler. Don't be idle. No idle hands here, my son. Anyway. Let's see. Where is my screwdriver? Still missing some parts. Where the hell did these parts go, man? Like, you think they'd be like still here? Oh well. There's only so much you can do, man. Actually, so this is for. This goes here because this holds the limit switch section. Got my little parts bin right here. Yeah. Parts bin to the rescue! Booyah! Woohoo! I think I found the part I was missing. Just throw all these frickin' wires on the table. Is it the same size? Nope, here we go. There's a smaller one. So there's 2 long ones and a small one. Alright. This is the other part. Yeah, you can't even begin to imagine how long it took to like get all this paper off. This is such a huge pain in the ass. Check out. Yeah, this camera over here has got some like magnanimous magnification going on. Hey, you know what? I just realized something. I think if you soak this before you try to take it all off, it might come off a little easier. And I probably could have looked it up. I could have Googled it. Like, how do I get paper off the plastic? It's easier than a crying whining session. Probably could have learned. I'm stubborn. Stubborn man! Like to do it without instructions. Yeah. Instructions. Oh well. That's my new catchphrase. Oh well. If you can't change it, get along. can change it, freaking change it. You know what I'm saying? All right, these are all nice and tight. Hell yeah. This is a lot better. Whoops. I gotta take, well, let's see if I can actually show you here. It's interesting, but 17 minutes of pure terror. Is he gonna make it? Okay. Oh, you know what we're gonna do? Here. Hashtag use some pliers. That's what she said. Alright, here we go. Oh, I think Johnny got it. There we go. God, this is going to look awesome. I wonder if I have any little things. I wonder if I have any little things to go on top of this little thing. Super descriptive, I know. Super helpful. Then we take the pliers. We hold one side with the pliers. And then take the screwdriver. The other side, that screwdriver there. Oh, I think the dog's found something. Watch out! Those doggies gonna get you. Actually, we can take two different nuts and then back them up on each other. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. All right. Now the two nuts are backed on each other right here, which means it's not going to come loose, but this still spins, which is what we need. And then these bad boys actually go no, outside. Outside. All right, there we go. So that one's there. You know what? I think I put it in backwards. Let's do that. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! Alright. What's going on over here? Let's turn that nut around a little bit there. These together. So these two here go in the little notches on the bottom, and then these two go back here. Let's do definitely different sizes. All right. So we're going to leave that there for now. Let's install everything that needs to go on here. Oh. It's because it goes on here. That's why. Okay, that's for the wires. That's from the wires. What the hell? Pretty sure. Go that way. Might go this way. You know what? I have to look it up. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Okay, that's where those go. That's where those go. And what the hell are those? Oh! That's an end stop. So this is an end stop. Okay. So that goes there. Okay. And then this goes here. Oh, right. That's where it goes. Oh, yeah. So this goes here, and then this one goes here. Right? And then this one actually sits right there. Boom. Just like that. Because then, if you line these up, so what you do is just kind of set your motor down right here. Just set it in. Line up these right here. And find out if this pulley lines up with the motor. Does it line up with the motor? That's the question you want to ask. Yep. That is lined up with the motor. So let's install it. And it doesn't go backwards like this. It goes like this. This is our sensor holder. Go that way. You can always install this afterwards. I'm going to have to install it again. Where's this go? And of course I'm missing a piece. Shit. Oh, no, this is the broken piece. Oh, okay. So the small wired one goes on the left, and then the large wire ones, same size. Same size. One goes in the back, and one goes on the right. Actually, you know what? We have one, two, and then this third one actually goes on the x-axis. We don't have a second one for the z-axis, but I just ordered some limit switches. So why don't I install one of them on the right-hand side for when I'm ready. Now, if this goes that way, we want the wires going. We want them going somewhere. Just put them probably up. Up is a good idea. And we've got our motor screws in here somewhere. Should be 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. You don't want to use the long ones because it just won't fit. Don't tighten them all the way until you have all the screws in, just in case you've misaligned something and don't know it. Hey-yo. Don't tighten them all the way. Do not tighten them all the way. Alright, now you can tighten them. Remember to tighten them. Remember to tighten them very well. Not over tighten them, but they do. I don't want any wobbliness. Like I already have. This is already a shitty enough printer that like you need to really make sure that all the screws are tightened evenly so that nothing warps on you. So let's kind of move this around a little bit. Just kind of flex it. See if there's anything that needs. Yep. Kind of flex it. You're gonna feel like a little knock. Means the plastic is moving somewhere. Okay. Stable. Unlike some of you guys. That's horrible. Alright. And then this one is either going to go like this or like this. Let's make sure we still have our screws. Yes. So these bad boys go in here. And they get screwed onto here. Yeah, well, I'll put that on here. Look what you've done. Stop. Let's install this now. Tighten it down and then back it off so you can move this one around to find the hole and tighten this one up. And I just stripped that screw. At least it's on. That's like, did you strip the screw? Yes, I did. Is it on? Yep, we're good. Alright, so this has to go through two pieces of plastic. So we're going to use the long one. Too long though. Let's see. Maybe this one. Yep, I can definitely. Alright. There we go. Let's get the other one on. Move this all the way. Oh, no. I put that on backwards. I put it on backwards. Damn it. Damn it. So, you gotta look at your hole alignment. It's kind of offset. So you have to offset this the same offset. Let's use a smaller one for this. Oh yeah, that feels better. Turn that around. Line up the holes. Okay, they fit. Oh yeah. There we go. Switch back. This one. Yeah. And I'll be picking this up too. All right, let's see. Yep, it goes all the way down now. So we're going to take this, put it through the hole, so it's out of the way. And we're going to put it through that hole, so we'll crush it. All right, sensor number 1 is in place. Let's just screw this down so that we don't have to worry about nuts flying this way or that way. Okay, it's all the way down. All right, next bit. Let's do this. All right, where are you? There's 2 of you. There's 2 of you. All right, these are in. This side. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Once you get this thing on, it's hard to turn it sideways, so get all your shit done before you want to turn it sideways, basically. Alright. That's there. That's there. That little roller's there. That's good. Well, a couple pieces that I didn't do. And for everybody wondering why I'm not spending time with my family, none of your goddamn business. But my other answer is we're having lunch tomorrow, so deal. If you're bored and you're watching this, it's all good. If you're bored and you turn on something to watch this. It's good for you. Builds character. Some bullshit. Yeah, these were really annoying to peel. Hence the 1 week that it took for me to work. Finally got a couple days off here, so bada bing, bada boom. How many screws do I have left? I think I got a couple of screws up in here. 1, 2, 3. 2 that I dropped on the floor. These ones. Other ones. All right, where'd you go, Screw? Mr. Scrooge? Mr. Scrooge, where are you? Hey, there we go. Found one. Found the other one. All better. All right, let's put these on first before we get all crazy up in here. Oh, that's what that's for. There we go. Get on there, you. Okay. And these hold the rods in. All right, those are in. Let's put these ones in. We have the freedom to move about the country. That guy in. back. Spread out these sliders here. I should need 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm missing. Let's get you. There we go. Extra 3D printer parts to rescue because I have them. And let's go to the hardware box. Let's just grab them right now. Get this thing on here before we don't do it. There we go. And there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. Oh man, I should be using some Loctite somewhere. All right, here we go. Washers in on each side. Okay. Other side. Washer. Nut. Got my toolbox here. Should be 14 millimeter. That works. So I'm going to get these nice and tight without destroying the printer or your feet. Shit. Where is my adapter? Come on, adapter. Come over here. You can always just use 2 of those. So it's probably going to be easier for the inside. I still want to find my adapter because there's a whole set of tools that I can't use without the adapter. Like, for real. Not for fakes. Time for tools. It's Tim the Toolman Taylor with his assistant Bob. Hey, there you are. Here. I should use these. Put you in here. That'll work. What else we got left? There's probably some more crap I don't need anymore. What's in your bag? What you got in your tool bag? Where'd that go? Where did I shove it? Seriously? Weird shit going on. Oh, this is it. Booyah. Big Daddy's in business now. I should put these in a bag. Feel a lot easier. Plus, I could keep a little bit of mineral oil in there so they don't rust. It's not a bad idea. That works. You want it flush, not too tight, tight enough. It's tight from the back side here. And if you see your shit crack, it's too tight. Don't crack your shit. It's not a good day for you. All right. Nice. That's fresh. That's so fresh, bro. So fresh. Okay. Next step. You need 2 of these. Separate this. So it looks like that. Okay, same with the other side. All right, and if you're on an uneven surface, you'll know. We're just going to get rid of a whole bunch of stuff over here so I can actually obtain a level surface. Oh, yeah, that's going to have to go in a box for now. A bunch of... Oh, stay there. So I have a box. Paperwork I have on the table right now is just in the way. That works. Let's take you here. Find where you are. You, on the other hand, books, some other stuff, some studying in, some study action. Clean that up. Fix that. All right, here we go. This is how you know you have a flat surface. You get a manufactured surface, and then you put your shit on here. Now it's laying flat. Yep, that is awesome. Oh my god, this is going to be such a good print. Oh, it's going to be good. It's going to be real good. All right. Let's look at this real quick. All the same size. All right, so that's needs to be. You need to be able to close this and not have it fall out on you. Pretty sure. Yeah, it looks solid. Put these on right here. Okay. Remember to separate these. Alright. Now these aren't the same size rods, so don't use them to measure. So that means we're going to back these off quite a bit. Right here. Okay. Put our washers on. Put our nuts on. Right here. Okay. And you want to use these as the measurement because these are actually really freaking close as far as size goes compared to the plastic, compared to the threaded rod. These are way more accurate if you're not going to measure it with something better than that. So put that in. Make sure it's all the way back. Make sure there's no slop. So what you want to do is you want to tighten it. See that? That's slop. Get rid of the slop. Get rid of the slop today. Call 1-800 No More Slop. Let's tighten these. Tighten these in the back so they don't flop out on me. No flopping or slopping. Sloppy floppy. None of that here. Alright, hear that? You don't want that shit. Okay, so we're going to back these off here. Back these off. Okay, and you're going to back these off. Back these off. It stops when these are even. So now that these are even, this and this are parallel. Now tighten the back bolt all the way. It's going to stick out. Don't worry about it. Okay? Not too tight. Not too tight. You don't want to flex this shit. Not yet. Okay? Get rid of the slop. Get rid of the slop. Get rid of the slop. No slop. Look at that. Look at that. No slop. Fucking yeah. Oh, this is going to be good. Now tighten this until it's just tight enough. That's super descriptive, I know. So not even finger tight, like until it stops. Okay, it's stopping. I can't physically turn it anymore. And you turn this here. Make sure you push down. Okay, push down on the rod to make sure it stays in there. You're going to turn. Okay, it's not turning anymore. That's the end of that. That's the end of that. Okay, turn that. Turn this one. Okay, now we're going to do the inside one. Turn that. I'm going to turn that right here. Now back these off just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's tighten these first in the back. Okay, so how do I want to do this? If we tighten the inside bolt, it's going to pull everything this way. If we tighten the outside bolt, it's going to flex everything in. Evenly. Do it evenly. Okay, so we're going to do a combination of this and this. Okay. Tighten. Hold it in place. Make sure the rod's not turning. Make sure the rod is not turning, but that the bolt, only the nut is turning. Okay, does that feel tight? If you hear a crack, you're going too far. Don't crack your shit. Okay. Don't move your nuts at this point because you have them in the correct position. Okay. Okay. I can feel the nut. Gotta push back on the other side. Okay. We good? We good? We good? Okay. We're good. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Give me a second. I like I smell something. All right. Here we go. Okay, so I flexed it. You don't want to flex it. Not this much. This is too much. So you got to come back on the side that you flexed. No. That's not working. So it must be diagonal then. Yep. No, it's a diagonal thing. Okay, so this is like, if you've ever tuned a bicycle wheel, this is like a bicycle wheel. Okay. No slop. Still no slop. Okay, we're good. Tighten it again without flexing the shit. Okay. Okay, those are in. Those are in. Let's see where we are. Come on. It's still flexing. That means it's too tight on this side. No, that's good. Okay. It's still. Still tight on that side. Okay, so I need to figure out. Can I do this? No. That's not working. No, let's try that. Let's do that. Let's back this one off. Just enough. Okay. I'm going to tighten this one. So I'm going to do this. Okay. Okay. I'm going to come back here. I'm going to just do the back side, not the front. Fuck. What the fuck's going on with this thing, man? I'm tightening the opposite corner, and this corner is lifting. I know I'm flexing it this way, and it's pulling up. What's wrong with the rod? All right, we're really, really close. There's no slop in the rods. Let's see. Is it the board? It's not the board. See, when I tap this side, you hear a deep thud. When I tap this side, you hear that's the plastic moving. It's only moving like a fraction of a millimeter, but this is in. No, it's that side. You know what? Let's try this. Let's just bend it down a little bit, flex it. Let's just see how, because it could be the rods. Yeah, I think it's the rods. So we're looking at really, really, really small amount of movement here. So we're just going to tighten it back a little bit. Push this off. Push this off. Once I get tight. Perfect. We are ready. All right, let's see. What are we missing? Let's make sure. We can save this for later because this is always just. It's easy to just slide it on. The whole point of having these bad boys right here is you can just slide this thing in. Let's just make sure that there is no slop. I don't think we have any slop. Let me make sure that we didn't accidentally enter the system. Let's see where we're at. So I have a little bit of a bump there, a little bump there. No slop in that system. Well, see, the slop is just to make sure that everything's square. It's not necessarily to make it any more accurate at a macro scale, but like it's to make sure that it doesn't kill itself. We're getting there. It's good. It looks good. Feels good. Okay, these are ready. I'm going to pair these ones together since these are the ones we used. So these are for the y-axis. Use the same ones for the y-axis as you do for the x-axis. Use the same pair. All right, so let's see about you. This has a lot of the wiring on here. Okay. That's not good. It's not good at all. All right, so we've lost some ball bearings. That might be why things are going a little sideways. Fuck, dude. This is not a happy machine. Ah, this really sucks. Because I know, like, so these ball bearings are actually press fit into the plastic. So replacing them is going to be a pain in the ass. It's not like, oh, let's just replace it. No. So if you look at this, check that out. These are press fit into some cheap ass plastic. Like, it's not going to be sunshine and rainbows for that part of the shoe. That's a whole lot of ball bearing. Oh, those might be from the bottom, actually. I didn't think about it. Oh, okay. Where are we at? Let's do this. This is really, really frustrating because I spent a lot of time. I spent a lot of time on this just for it to die. Like, never fun. So I have to go look up. You know what? Okay. So linear ball bearings. If they're gonna do that, I don't want to include them in my product. Like, if you have a very specific, like, maybe I wonder if it's cheaper. Like, if it's cheaper and I can ship it to where, like, this is on here and I can ship it like that, then I'll keep it like that. But if I have to have my customer actually put this shit together, they're gonna get really frustrated when their shit falls apart. Like, they're not gonna be happy. Really, really not happy. So I don't want to do that to them. So if I already know that linear ball bearings are prone to having their ball bearings fall out, which kind of makes sense. Like, if there's nothing holding them in and they're cheap enough, they should fall out, right? Okay, I've got some random ass hex screw on here. But it works. Nope. It's millimeter. It's from China. Should have known. If it's from China, it's millimeter. Like, don't even second guess it. Like, it's millimeter. Okay. It's on. It's good. Step 4000. Here we go. All right. So that's in. Let's just put these in for now. Just to keep any more ball bearings from falling out. All right. The awesomest tool to have is this stuff. So then you can just take this, raise the entire thing up. You can even lower it to a specific level, put it in the middle, kind of even out the pressure and the weight. Okay. So we're going to keep that over there. Yeah, don't do that. Okay. here. I can see why you're hardwiring that in. Oh, come on. All right. Where the hell did I put my screwdriver? Just set the damn thing down. Okay. So I'm tensioning it with my fingers, and I'm screwing this little piece of plastic down onto the rubber so it stays in place. All right, come on, come on. Down line, almost there. Oh, don't let go. Oh, baby. There we go. Nice. Okay. Oh, got it. Ready? Woo! All right, getting there. Getting there. Getting there. Look at that. Look at that. Watch it go. Watch it go. Watch it go, baby. Not quite. We gonna save money. We gonna save money. Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop this so I can make this video. Putting that 3D printer back together. Boom. Hashtag easy. 3D printer back together. Boom. Hashtag easy. 3D printer back together. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Putting that 3D printer back together. Check it out. Check it out. Watch this. Oh, you ready? Boom. Almost there. Almost there. Come on, come on, get in the hole. There you go. Good job. Boom. We're getting it there. Coming along. Shit. Oh. Got one to start.